Santa just got arrested. Like full outfit. Getting folded by police in the middle of the street. They grabbed him during a pro-Palestine protest, and the wild part is he kept yelling ho 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 like a crackhead while they dragged him across the city center. Santa didn't break character once. Imagine watching cops haul away Santa while he's trying to keep the holiday spirit alive while being manhandled by cops. People around were torn between filming or just laughing and wondering if Christmas got canceled early. The whole thing looked like a discount holiday movie where Santa joins a protest and probably brought his elves along, then things escalate, and suddenly he's sliding across pavement yelling festive catchphrases like, "This is normal." Even the cops looked unsure, like they weren't trained for arresting Santa 101. All that from one protest. Santa out here fighting for causes and catching charges. Roll light trance out.